Hello, introduce yourself. I am Ruchita. I am from Jayanti, is located in Andhra Pradesh. I have completed post-graduation in the stream of Master of Computers Applications with an aggregation of 80% CCPA. So I currently to enhance my skills with UI full stack course. So I am come from a close-knit family of 4 members. So I have my hobbies are listening. Music, listening music and cooking and gardening. So my strengths are adaptability, confidence, and uh, listening. My strengths are adaptability and confident. So I so confident. So my I come so adaptability and so my short-term goal is to get a good job and learn the new things and get the practical experience from that thing. So thank you.
Okay, what is HTML and why is it used?
HTML is the stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This can be used to the basic layout of the web page. It is the skeleton of the web page. So we can use that HTML. We can design the basic web pages of web pages.
Okay, what are semantic elements in HTML?
Semantic elements and it means we can explain their content clearly to the both developer and coder. So this the example of the symmetric code is the image table tag. So table tag, image tag, etc.
What is the purpose of doc type HTML in HTML?
So doctor HTML, we can mention the top of the HTML program. The purpose of the doc type is it give the tell us the browser which version of the HTML we can use that. So that purpose we can use the doc type.
What is the difference between ID and class selectors?
So ID selector and class selectors both we can use it that mention the elements in the CSS level. So ID means we can give the ID value. So that must be unique. So that class name is we can use multi times. We can give that multi elements. We can use multi-purpose. So this is the difference of these two. And ID is mentioned that hash, and class is mentioned that dot.
Okay, can you create a table using HTML?
So we can write the table tag open. So first we can write the table tag, table row. We can give the create the row of the table. So we can inside the th we can write the headings of the first row. So we can give any content. We can so number th close. So th we can give that name. Close th. So close tr. So we can another time we can write the tr. So this time start we can another row. So we can give the values. We can open the table data. So we can give the any value headings or that values are included in the table date. So we can give that. So we can inside the table we can give that border. It display the outlines of the table. So we can close the table.
Okay, how many types of lists are in HTML?
List are three types in the HTML. So we can first one is the order list, second one is the unordered list, third one is the description list. So order list is start with the ON. So inside that we can mention the items. We can each item inside that list items. Li tag we can inside write the list items. So we can list items close that OL tag. So this is the basic syntax of order list. It marked with the order list with numbers, alphabets, small alphabets. This like pattern. So another list like UL, start with UL. Each same has that we can write the items in the li tag and close it with the UL tag, and it will be marked as a bullets, circles, like that. So we can description list we can write start with the DL and close it with the DL, and we can inside the write DT and DH. So it means data description items will be DD, and DD means we can describe above items, we can display that DD tag. So this is the three.
DT means description term, right? Yes. Okay, what is box model in CSS?
So box model we can use with that the items we can wear space or align proper position to use it at the border in the CSS. So we can have the four properties like padding, margin, content, border. So these four properties. So content means we can write the actual content like text, images, etc. So we can write that padding means we can space around the content is called as padding. So border means we can outside of mean padding outside we can give the line we can this that is called as a border. So margin means we can give that outside padding. It also gives the space between element to element.
Okay, what are pseudo elements in CSS?
Pseudo elements are pseudo elements are first letter, first line, um, first line, first element, and before, after, etc.
Okay.